How to fix GeForce Experience error code 0x0003 on Windows 10. Here are some tips that would help you fix GeForce Experience error code 0x0003 on Windows 10. 1. Remove, using the recommended Uninstall Tool Pro in this video guide, all Nvidia related items from your system, reboot and install the latest version of GeForce Experience and update your device drivers later. Plan B, update. Your graphics driver using the recommended Avast driver updater in this video guide. 2. Enable Allow Service to interact with desktop for Nvidia Telemetry Container, if available. Like this. Moreover, start. All Nvidia services, Nvidia Display Service, Nvidia Local System Container, Nvidia Network Service Container. 3. Try resetting. The network adapter. Plan B, try this command. netsh winsock reset as admin. 4. Creating a new user account.